Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY candle making with a product that's been making waves, the Blended Waxes, Inc. Apricot Soy Coconut Wax. If you're looking to elevate your candle crafting game, this might just be the perfect match for you. Let's kick things off by talking about why this wax blend stands out from the rest. The Blended Waxes, Inc. Apricot Soy Coconut Wax is touted as one of the best coconut apricot candle waxes available in the market today. Crafted from a premium blend of natural ingredients, including apricot, soy, and coconut. This wax offers a creamy texture and a beautiful off-white finish that enhances the aesthetic appeal of your candles. What sets this wax apart is its versatility and ease of use. Designed for single-pour applications, it eliminates the need for additives and ensures superior adhesion to jars without the hassle of preheating. Whether you're a seasoned candle maker or just starting out, the Apricot Soy Coconut Wax provides flexibility in pour temperature and fragrance loading, allowing you to customize your candles exactly to your liking. Plus, it boasts a delightful cold and hot throw that fills your space with a long-lasting, pleasant aroma. Now, let's talk about how to get the best results with this wax. The recommended pour temperature ranges between 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you control over the thickness of the wax coating and the adhesion required for your projects. When it comes to fragrance, you can add between 7% to 9% to achieve that perfect scent throw. After pouring, allow your candles to cure for 12 to 18 hours for optimal results. It's also worth noting that Blended Waxes, Inc. brings over 45 years of expertise to the table. Based in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, all their products are proudly made in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and consistency. Their commitment to sourcing domestic materials underscores their dedication to providing premium candle-making supplies. In conclusion, if you're looking to create candles that not only look stunning but also perform exceptionally well, the Blended Waxes, Inc. Apricot Soy Coconut Wax is a fantastic choice. With its natural blend, easy usability, and superior performance, it's no surprise why this product has garnered rave reviews from candle enthusiasts worldwide. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our review of the Blended Waxes, Inc. Apricot Soy Coconut Wax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Have you tried this wax before? Share your experience in the comments below. Until next time, happy candle making!